In this video, we will learn how to use some product function in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data, sales data. So here have some product ID, categories, product name, unit rate, and quantity. Here I am going to calculate the sales amount is equal to unit rate into quantity. Just copy this formula. Then comes in this profit cell. Press the end button and down arrow. You can see you directly comes in last row is 9995. Then press the right arrow, press the shift control up arrow, and just paste this formula to in all data. So now here I am using the sum function. Okay, now we get the total sales amount. This amount we can get by using the sum product function without calculating this sales amount of every product. So let's start how it's done. Just is equal to sum product. Select the first array, it's a unit, comma. Second array, it's quantity, and bracket close. That's it. Here you can see the same amount we get here by using the sum product function. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.